Hi kids, welcome back to our channel. This time we're going to talk about earthquake and its kinds. So get your notebook and take down note the important details of this discussion. Earthquake and its kinds. Learning goals. Describe the changes on Earth's surface as a result of earthquakes. Differentiate intensity from the magnitude of an earthquake. Describe the effects of an earthquake. And enumerate what to do before, during, and after an earthquake. Why is an earthquake unpredictable? Have you experienced an earthquake? What did you do? How do you know that there is an earthquake? During times that there are earthquakes, furniture move, picture frames swing and drop from walls, and books fall off from shelves. In a high-intensity earthquake, roads can crumble, and bridges and buildings can even collapse. But how does an earthquake occur? How does it affect us? Earthquake. In the previous discussions of plate boundaries, you learned that violent earthquakes are triggered when two plates slide past each other along faults. Within a fault, the weakest part where the slippage of rocks occurs is called the focus or origin. An earthquake is the sudden movement or vibration of the crust, Earth's rocky outer layer. It is caused when rock masses suddenly shift in position. As the rock masses shift into new positions, the energy stored in the rock masses is transmitted onto the surface in the form of seismic earthquake waves. The area above the focus is called the epicenter. Strong shaking of the ground is felt at the epicenter. As the rock masses slide and slip against each other, the stored energy is released and moves outward in all directions as seismic waves. Kinds of earthquakes. Tectonic earthquake. When two tectonic plates move suddenly against each other, an earthquake occurs. This kind of earthquake is known as tectonic earthquake. Earthquakes usually happen along faults. Faults are cracks in Earth's crust between two huge plates. The plate on each side of a fault grinds against each other with tremendous force. An earthquake occurs when the rocks along the edge of the plate suddenly yield to the pressure. Huge chunks of rock underground break and move. Earthquakes that are tectonic in origin cover a large area. The magnitude 8.9 earthquake that devastated the coastal areas in Japan on March 11, 2011, shows how plate tectonics move. The trench to the east and the mountains and volcanoes of Japanese islands indicate that this is a convergent margin. Figure 8.14 shows Japan earthquake on March 11, 2011. The Pacific Plate is moving westward and is being subducted beneath the northern part of Japan. The Intensity 7 earthquake on July 16, 1990 that devastated the provinces of Pampanga and Zambales is also tectonic in origin. Misconception alert. You might think that earthquakes cause volcanic activity. There are Earth's processes responsible for volcanoes. Earthquakes may occur in an area before, during, and after volcanic eruption, and they could be the result of active forces connected with eruption and not the cause of volcanic activity. Volcanic earthquake. Volcanic earthquakes occur in areas that are associated with volcanic activities, such as in Mount Mayon in Albay, Mount Taal in Batangas, and Mount Pinatubo in Zambales, to mention a few. As the fluid magma rises to the surface, its pressure fractures rock masses and causes continuous tremors that can be felt on small scale. Why is the Philippines considered an earthquake-prone area? The Pacific Ring of Fire is an area circling the Pacific Ocean. The Pacific Ring of Fire is found in the plate boundaries formed by the movement of the underwater tectonic plates. The Pacific Ocean sits on a huge slab of rock called the Pacific Plate. This plate rubs and grinds against other plates surrounding it. The movement of the plates causes earthquakes and triggers volcanic activities in the whole area that circles the Pacific Ocean. The islands in the Philippines are parts of the Pacific Ring of Fire. Thank you very much for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe and click the notification bell button to notify you of my new uploaded videos. Thanks for watching and see you again on our next video.